Good morning students, welcome to you. Students, you know numbers from 1 to 100. Now, today we are going to learn addition up to 20 and addition by counting forward. So let's see a small addition. Observe the pictures. There are cups. This side there are 5 cups, and if we add there 4 cups, then how many total are there? Let's count. After 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So there are total 9 cups. Now let's see. Observe here. There are teapots. One side there are 8 teapots, and if we add there are 5 teapots, then how many total teapots are there? Let's count. 8 plus 5. After 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So there are total 13 teapots. Now next. Now observe here. Here there are one bundle of sticks. One bundle of stick means 10 sticks are there, and plus 3 sticks. 10 plus 3, then how many? After 10, count. 11, 12, 13 means total 13 sticks are there. Now next. Observe here. Here are 13 beads, means one string of beads and 3 beads, means 13 beads are there, and plus if we add 2 beads, then how many? After 13, count. 14, 15. So there are 15 beads. In this way you have to do the addition. Now story of addition. I am going to read. Listen carefully. One day Yash was reading a storybook at home. When his father came home, he saw Yash reading a book. He was very happy. He hugged him. Yash told, "Dad, I have already read all the 7 books." His father praised him and said, "Oh, nice, very good." Father was so pleased that he gave 4 more books to him. Yash also became very happy. Now, how many books does Yash have? Now find and help him. Let's see here. How many books did Yash have before? Before he has 7 books. So write down there 7. How many books did father give to Yash as a gift? His father gave 4 more books as a gift. Means 4. Then how many books does Yash have in total? Means we have to do here addition. 7 plus 4. Means after 7 we have to count 4 numbers. So I use here number chart. After 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So there are 11 books in all total. Yash have total 11 books. Now next. Addition by counting forward. Now I am going to read. Listen carefully. Let's add 5 and 3. Here are 5 beads, and if we add 3 beads, then total how many? After 5, 6, 7, 8. So the sum is 8. Now let's find the sum. Means 8 and 5. If we add 5 numbers in 8, then how many? So we have to count 5 beads after 8. After 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So there are 13 beads. Let's see, listen carefully. While adding 2 numbers, count forward the numbers equal to the second number after the first number. addition will be easy if we take bigger number and then count forward the smaller number. Let's see here. If there is addition 4 plus 9. So counting 4 numbers after 9. It is easier than counting 9 numbers after 4. So let's do here addition and solve the problem of addition. 8 plus 6. Now I am going to use number chart. After 8 we have to count 6 number. After 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So there is 14. Now next 4 plus 9 we just count here. After 9 we have to count 4 number. After 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Means the sum is 13. Now 7 plus 5. After 7 count 5. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So write down there 12. 7 plus 7. Let's see here. After 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Means 14. The sum is 14. Now 12 plus 4. After 12 count 4. After 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So the sum is 16. Now next 15 plus 5. After 15 count 5. After 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So the answer is 20. 17 plus 2. Let's see here. You can also do the addition in this way also. After 17, 2 number you have to count. 18, 19. So the answer is 19. 12 plus 6. After 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Now next 13 plus 4. After 13 count 4 numbers. After 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Now 11 plus 7. After 11 count 7. After 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. In this way you have to do the addition by counting forward. Now in your mathematics workbook, addition up to 20. Let's see here. Count the objects, write the numbers and add. Then draw the total number of objects also here. A. Observe how many stars are there and count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There are 7 stars. This side and plus this side 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 stars are there. If we add 7 plus 6, then how many? So that use number chart. After 7 count 6 number. After 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So there are 13 stars. And you have to draw here 13 stars. Now in this way you have to draw 13 stars also. Now next. How many ice cream cones are there? Let's count and write down the numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There are 9 ice cream cone one side and plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Means 9 plus 5. Then how many? Just count here. After 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So there are 14 and you have to draw here 14 ice cream cones. Now next, how many balls are there? 1, 2, 3. So write down there 3 and another side just count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Means 3 plus 8. Here we have to count after 8 3 numbers. Let's hear. After 8, 9, 10, 11. Means you have to draw here 11 balls. Total 11 balls. Now next. How many beads are here? Just count. In the string 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. In the string there, this is one string of beads. Means 10 beads are there. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 10 and 5 beads means 15. 15 beads are there and plus if we add 1, 2, 3, 3 beads means 15 plus 3. After 15 count 3 numbers. After 15, 16, 17, 18. So write down here 18 and also draw here 18 beads. Now next. Here are also one string of beads and 3 beads are there. After 10, 11, 12, 13. So here are 13 beads and if we add 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 beads means 13 plus 6. Then how many? Listen here. After 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Means there are total, these are 19 beads. And you have to draw here 19 beads. Now next. Addition by counting forward. Add by forward counting. One example has been done here. Let's see. A 16 plus 4 means 20. We have to count 4 numbers after 16. After 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. In this way we have to complete. Now next. 8 plus 4. Now let's here. We have to count here 4 numbers after 8. After 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So, the sum is 12. Now next. 9 plus 5. Now we have to count 5 numbers after 9. After 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Means the sum is 14. Now next. 12 plus 6. After 12 we have to count 6 numbers. After 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Means the sum is 18. 13 plus 3. After 13 we have to count 3 numbers. Means 14, 15, 16. So the sum is 16. Now next. 7 plus 6. After 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So the sum is 13. Means 7 plus 6 is equal to 13. Now next. Solve mentally. Write the answer in the box. Move 3 numbers forward from 12. After 12 we have to count 3 number 12, 13, 14, 15. So write there 15. This is wrong. So rub this. The answer is 15. Now next. Move 5 numbers forward from 8. After 8 we have to count 5 numbers. After 8, we have to count 5 numbers. After 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Means the answer is 13. Now next, move 2 numbers forward from 17. After 17, 18, 19. So write down there 19. Move 1 number forward from 19. After 19, 1 number is means 20. Move 6 numbers forward from 9. After 9 we have to count 6. After 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So the sum is 15. Now next, move 8 numbers forward from 6. After 8 we have to count 6. After 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So write down the sum 14. In this way you have to complete. Now next, add 6 plus 5. You have to count 5 after 6. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So write down there 11. Now next, 9 plus 4. After 9 count 4. After 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So there is 13 sum. Now next, 11 plus 7. After 11 you have to count 7. After 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So the sum is 18. Now this next 3 is your homework. So you have to do yourself. Now next, 16 plus 3. After 16 we have to count 3. 17, 18, 19. Next, 13 plus 6. After 13 count 6. 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Now next, 15 plus 0. In 15 we have to add 0, means nothing is there. So the answer is 15. Now next, 13 plus 5. After 13 we have to count 5 number. After 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So the addition is 18. Now next, 14 plus 4. After 14 we have to count 4. After 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Now next, these are your homework. You have to do yourself. Now in this way you have to complete and do practice of addition. Thank you.